My name is Pax Nindi, and I'm the creative director for the UK Centre for Carnival Arts, and also I'm the creative director for the Carnival Crossroads Eastbound. Carnival Crossroads Eastbound is a project which our organization UKCCA is leading on. It's the only Olympics project in the Eastern region, and what we decided to do with this project is it's the second year we are doing it. The year before we did it, but with a different theme, which was Shakespeare. This year we are doing it, and then we decided to change the theme to Eastbound. The reason for changing the theme Eastbound is because we want to be able to showcase all the things that we've got in our region, in the Eastern region, and we're working with 5 towns, which is Ipswich, Norwich, Southend, Cambridge, and Luton. So now with the hub designers, their responsibility is to work together with the lead designer. The reason why we've done it this way, because we don't want to bring this expertise into the town. They walk away again with their skills. Our idea is when they come into this town, they share their skills and then leave the skills into town through the hub designer. We're doing the same thing again with choreography. We've got a choreographer who's going to work with all the 5 towns, which we're calling hubs. And then each town would have now a representative dancer who would work with this choreographer. Same thing with music. We've got a musical director, and then out of the musical director, each hub has got its own musician who's responsible for the group that's going to play the music for the procession for their particular hub. And we've done this with all the different elements. And one of the exciting things for us this year is that we're working with schools, universities, local community, churches, and all sorts of different groups. One of the exciting things about Crossroads is the grand finale, where when we're going to do the procession, there's going to be a float in front of it. That particular float is going to represent the 5 towns. So it's going to have different things that come out of town. For example, one of the towns is called the Longest Pier, Cambridge is called Education and DNA. So some of the things will be represented on this float. And then the float itself is also going to have musicians on it. And also each hub is going to have 20 dancers who are specially going to train and choreograph so that they can dance onto this float when it does its final performance. The float itself is going to be built using the Rio style way of making floats. I went to Brazil, recruited a specialist float builder who builds the kind of floats. This person is going to train the artists how to make these floats, but one of the crucial things they are going to do is to actually to build up a prototype of this particular float, and then after that, that's going to be handed over to a British-based company that's going to build the float. So that's, for me, that's the most exciting thing. That's what leads the float. Even the band that's going to be on it, at the moment, they are just behind us here, and what they're doing is they're actually creating an Eastbound theme music. So that theme music is one that people are going to rehearse with the dancer. That's what the people are going to dance to and make all their movements to. So it's quite exciting, really. I mean, I can say Crossroads is one of those exciting projects that I've worked on. I've done a lot of different projects, but this one is quite exciting as well as challenging.